Lilian Cabinets offers a wide variety of premium kitchen and bathroom cabinetry, available either ready to assemble or pre-assembled. All cabinets in the Dovetail Assembly series feature full overlay 5-piece doors and drawers, topped with a high-end, durable finish. Finished half-inch plywood side panels provide superior countertop support compared to traditional particle board cabinets, ensuring our cabinets last a lifetime. Lilian Cabinets' solid wood dovetail drawer boxes feature half-inch plywood bottom panels to provide extreme durability. Soft-closed undermount drawer glides and door hinges also come standard. Full half-inch back and bottom panels provide additional strength and support. Our dovetail cabinetry also comes with 3/4-inch plywood shelves with adjustable heights. Lilian Cabinets' unique dovetail cabinet box construction makes assembly a breeze. We pride ourselves in our superior craftsmanship and excellent customer service. We're here to help you during every step of the assembly process. Contact us to get started on your dream kitchen or bathroom today.